Hi everyone, my name is Gracie. Today I will show you how to play in House of Dragons 2. So first press this button, then select the English. Okay, now you have everything in English. What you do in this game and how to play, how to make money, I will show everything. You need to connect your wallet. For connect, press the tone, then connect the wallet. I use Tonekeeper. Connect it like that. Okay, finito. Then if you need to deposit, it's good if you press it 5 tones, tap to account, and approve into your wallet. Then you will see the 5 tones comes to your account. Okay, you will get 5 tones. If you doesn't see, just upload like that. Then you see. Okay, then go into Mint. Here press 5 tones. Then select it. Right now only 5 tones. You will get, I guess, 5,000 of gray dragons. Your gray dragons give you the eggs. When you get the eggs, press from 100x, press the craft. Enter the amount. For example, I have 798 of eggs. Press 700, okay, craft. And build the maximum gray dragon. When you build it a lot of gray dragon, you can craft to green dragon. Have two ways to make the money. First, here have the market, okay? Here you can sell the eggs. That's first things. For example, 500 eggs, 1.5 ton. Then you can sell the green dragons. One green dragons about 29 ton. If you have 3 green dragons, you can craft the one red one. One red one, it's very, very expensive. I have no idea how much, but more than 100 ton cost. If you make the red one, you will get 100 tons, so very good money. Don't forget make the task. Task give you the free dragons. Here a lot of tasks. And simple, you wait, craft the eggs, get the dragons, and before you craft the green dragons, for example, right now cost 18,000. You must have 40,000, so double. Because if you crafted all gray dragons going to the green dragons, and you must have some gray dragons for eggs for build it new. So that's why you have to use the game. And the same if you need to withdraw your money, just press withdraw, going down, down, down. For example, here it's your address, here it's amount, minimum withdraw it's 5 tons. And don't forget fee is 5%, this commission of the game. It's all. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.